Hi Spandana, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Now we will give important general knowledge to the audience. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Important general knowledge. Okay? I'll ask you some questions. You have to answer.
Yes.
I will ask you some questions. I will look at you or look at the audience.
Okay, sir.
But you have to give the right answer. Okay? Because audience are learning there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Which part of native speakers of England will speak received pronunciation?
Southern England.
India occupies which place in the world to have gone into outer space to conquer nature for the benefit of the people?
6th place.
Right answer. Sex ratio is the number of females per dash males.
Thousands.
Good. 1000. Good answer. Which state in India stands last in literacy?
Bihar.
Good answer. Approximately, what is the playing time of the full version of the national anthem?
52 seconds.
Good answer. What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Oh, good answer. What does Article 312 of Constitution of India signify?
Creation of new all India services.
Oh, good answer. Translate Akashvani into English, not All India Radio.
Voice from sky.
Good answer. Voice from sky. What is the biggest island in the world?
Greenland.
Good, Greenland. That is the right answer. Lusaka is the capital of which country?
Zambia.
Good, Zambia. It's a good answer. Tell the other name for Kanyakumari.
Cape Comorin.
Oh, Cape Comorin. Oh, good answer. Right answer. What is the longest day in India?
21st June.
Good, 21st June is the right answer. 1 hectare is approximately how many acres?
2471 acres.
Good, 2471 acres. Right answer. The places named Delhi, Madras, Calcutta are found in India and also in
USA.
Oh, right answer. That is the right answer. Spandana. So for all right answers she said. Okay. So the places Delhi, Madras, Calcutta are also in United States of America. Right answer. Approximately how much portion of the land on the earth is cultivable?
1/5.
Yes. Right answer. 1/5 of the land in the world is cultivable. Right answer. Spandana has said all right answers so far. Rourkela steel plant is aided by which country?
West Germany.
West Germany?
Yes.
That is the right answer. What is the meaning of the English word gregarious?
Friendly.
Oh, good. Gregarious means friendly in English. Right answer. What is the capital town for East Godavari district?
Kakinada.
Oh, right answer. That's the right answer. Kakinada is capital city or capital town for East Godavari. Which creature after man, of course, is known for its intelligence?
Dolphin.
Yes, dolphin is the right answer. After human being, dolphin is the intelligent animal. Right answer. From where does the atmosphere get maximum oxygen?
From sea vegetation.
Yes. From sea vegetation. Right answer. This is approximately
70% of the oxygen.
total oxygen. So, Spandana said the maximum oxygen is from sea vegetation. This is approximately 70% of the total oxygen. Right answer. Which organization has developed the Anupam Pentium supercomputer, India's fastest supercomputer?
Baba Atomic Research Center.
Baba Atomic Research Center. Okay, that's the right answer. Mule, donkey, pony are members of the horse family. Which other animal belongs to this family?
Zebra.
Zebra is the right answer. Mule, donkey, pony, zebra belong to the horse family. That's the right answer. Which is the biggest water snake?
Anaconda is the biggest, largest, most massive snake.
Which is non-poisonous.
Yes.
Yeah, right, exactly. That is the right answer. The biggest, largest, and the most massive water snake is anaconda, which is non-poisonous. That's what Spandana said. Right answer. What is the percentage of blood in a healthy human body?
Approximately 8% of the total weight of the body.
Or it's 12th part.
12th part.
Yes, right answer. Right answer. So, percentage of blood in healthy human body is 8% of the total body weight, or it's 12th part. Right answer. How much water content is there in watermelon?
97%.
Yes, exactly. In watermelon, 97% water content is there. Hamsala Devi in which district in India?
Krishna district.
Yes, exactly. Near Bandar it is there, Krishna district. How many national highways are there in India?
290.
Yes, exactly. 290 national highways are there in India. What is the largest lake in India?
Ular Lake in Kashmir.
Yes, exactly. Right answer. Ular Lake in Kashmir is the largest lake in India. On which river is the Gandhi Sagar Dam near Kota built?
On River Chambal.
Right answer. Gandhi Sagar Dam near Kota was built on river Chambal. Who is the author of Gita Rahasya, a philosophical treatise on the Gita?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Yes, Bala Gangadhar Tilak wrote the book Gita Rahasya. It is a treatise, it is a philosophical treatise on the Gita. Name of the monthly magazine published by the Central Social Welfare Board?
Samaj Kalyan.
Samaj Kalyan. Yes, Samaj Kalyan is the magazine published by Central Social Welfare Board. Right answer. Who wrote Abhigyan Shakuntalam?
Kalidas.
Yes, Kalidas wrote Abhigyan Shakuntalam. What is the Shakespeare's last play?
The Tempest.
Yes, The Tempest is the last play written by William Shakespeare. Who is the first Indian author to win Booker Prize?
Arundhati Roy.
Yes, Arundhati Roy is the first Indian writer to win Booker Prize. Right answer. Who directed the controversial TV serial Thomas?
Govind Nihlani.
Yes, Govind Nihlani directed the controversial TV serial Thomas. What is our national cricket trophy known as?
Ranji Trophy.
Yes, Ranji Trophy is our national cricket trophy. Ranji Trophy, right answer. Name of the Indian player who hit 6 sixers in 1 over?
Ravi Shastri.
Yes, Ravi Shastri is the correct answer. Ravi Shastri hit 6 sixers in 1 over. Name of the first film made in India?
Raja Harishchandra made in Hindi.
Made in Hindi, yes. Raja Harish Chandra, made in Hindi, is the first film in India. Right answer. Who was the first Indian woman to act in Indian movies as a heroine?
Kamala acted in Mohini Bhasmasura. Basur.
Yes, Kamala. Kamala is the first Indian heroine to act in films. So she acted in Mohini Bhasmasur. That is the right answer told by Spandana. Name the Indian film which has most number of songs in it.
Indra Sabha. It has 71 songs.
Yes, Indra Sabha was the Indian film. It has most songs, 71 songs in it. Right answer. Expand CNG.
Compressed natural gas.
Yes, compressed natural gas is CNG. What is LPG? Expand.
Liquefied natural gas.
Yes, liquefied natural gas is LPG. Right answer. What is the hottest month in Andhra Pradesh?
May.
Yes, exactly. May is the hottest month in Andhra Pradesh. Which city is famous for DDT?
Delhi.
Yes, Delhi is famous for DDT. The study of grasses is called?
Agrostology.
Yes, agrostology is the study of grasses. Agrostology deals with the study of grasses. The study of blood is called?
Hematology.
Yes, hematology is the study of blood. Right answer told by Spandana. Nathula Pass in which state in India?
Sikkim.
Yes, Sikkim. Nathula Pass is in Sikkim in India. Pyorrhea disease affects?
Teeth.
Yes. Pyorrhea disease affects teeth. If pyorrhea is there in your mouth, very bad smell comes out of your mouth. That is pyorrhea. ELISA test is conducted for?
AIDS.
AIDS. Right answer. ELISA test is conducted to detect AIDS. Which animal has the largest brain?
Horse.
Yes. Horse has heaviest and largest brain. Sharda Act deals with?
Child marriage.
Yes. Sharda Act deals with child marriage. Which is the disease that affects human body for eating chicken?
Blood flow.
Bird flu. Yes, exactly. Bird flu. To which town Gundlakama river supplies drinking water?
Ongole.
Yes, Gundlakama river supplies drinking water to Ongole. Right answer. Can you say meaning of the word Tirupati?
Srivar.
Yes. Srivaru is the meaning for the town, for the name Tirupati. Enram is the name associated with which newspaper?
The Hindu.
Yes. Enram was the editor for the newspaper The Hindu. Expand TTD.
Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams.
Exactly. Right answer. TTD stands for Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. So far Spandana answered almost all the answers. One more question, Spandana, be ready. Expand LSRW.
Listening, speaking, reading, writing.
Yes. LSRW stands for listening, speaking, reading and writing. Exactly. In today's world, the students have to learn hard skills in addition to?
Soft skills.
Yes. The students have to learn hard skills and also soft skills in today's world. Otherwise, the students will not be successful. Hard skills are your subject knowledge. Soft skills are acquired through observation. Both hard skills and soft skills are required to be successful in this physical world. Spandana, well said. Can you explain MJ?
Master of Journalism.
Yes. MJ stands for Master of Journalism. Spandana answered all the questions rightly. We will felicitate her now with a small gift. Audience, watch it. What gift we are going to present? The gift we are presenting to her, Gautam Buddha, for her outstanding performance, for answering all the questions.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck, Spandana, in future. Thank you.